Guys, yesterday we were selling this pair, but the price went nowhere, guys. The price has just been chopping around. So what I would do, guys, today, it's very simple. Because we broke this high that we weren't supposed to, and after that we made another high here and broke that. We had a double bottom here, guys. And after that double bottom, we have started turning this support resistance area into support. So for today, guys, I would like to keep it simple. As long as we above 4247, guys, I would keep on buying this. And my first target would be 4386, and my next one would be 4493, guys. And guys, I would only start selling this if we break below this area, guys. So all I ask from you guys is a like and subscribe. So if you break above this, so we will be seeing 4100. So take care, guys, and see you tomorrow.